Let's first take a quick look at the reason why this situation appears. 1. Your USB files might be hidden. 2. The file size is too large for the file system. 3. Corrupted file systems or bad sectors. Now let's fix it. Fix 1. Show hidden files. The first method aims to reappear hidden USB files or folders with File Explorer. Open File Explorer, click View Options. In the Folder Options window, tick Show Hidden Files. Besides, this might be a temporary error. You can try to restart your Windows OS and reconnect the USB stick to your computer to resolve this issue. Fix 2. CHKDSK Command. Please remember to type CHKDSK with /F/R/X or /B parameters to fix corrupted USB drives. Connect your USB to the Windows, type CMD in the search bar, select Run as Administrator to open the command prompt window. Type CHKDSK F/F/R/X in the window. This command line will automatically fix the detected USB errors. Replace F with the drive letter of your USB stick. Fix 3. Format the USB drive. If the above fixes are useless, you still can format the drive to troubleshoot it. This will cause data loss. You need to back up your data in advance. Right-click on your connected USB and select Format. Select the NTFS file system and click OK. Or you can choose to format the drive with command lines. Type the following commands. Remember to replace the drive letter with yours. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave comments or email us.